Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Thank you for joining us. Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Senator Mohammad Ishaq Dar visited the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to participate in the extraordinary meeting of the OIC Executive Committee. The meeting was convened at the request of the State of Palestine and the Islamic Republic of Iran to discuss the ongoing Israeli aggression against Palestine and other regional states. In his statement, the Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister reiterated Pakistan's long-standing support for the Palestinians in their struggle against an illegal and brutal occupation. He also expressed solidarity with the people of Palestine and Iran following the extraterritorial assassination of the head of political bureau of Hamas. The Deputy Prime Minister expressed an unequivocal condemnation of Israeli brutalities and warmongering and its actions that have caused irreparable damage to the already fragile and volatile Middle East. He also called for preventing further escalation of tensions and violence in the region. The Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister called for enhanced humanitarian assistance for the Palestinians in Gaza, for opening all access points of supply to Gaza and allowing all UN and international agencies, including UNRWA, to operate fully in Gaza. Deputy Prime Minister also underlined the need for establishment of an international judicial mechanism which would seek restitution, damages, and satisfaction from Israel for its crimes against humanity, war crimes, and genocide in Gaza, and hold those accountable for their crimes. On the occasion of the ASEAN Day, the Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister, Senator Mohammad Ishaq Dar, extended Pakistan's warmth to the governments and peoples of ASEAN member states. The Deputy Prime Minister reaffirmed Pakistan's partnership with ASEAN and appreciated its central role in promoting peace, stability, and prosperity in the Asia-Pacific region. Pakistan's relations with ASEAN are underpinned by a shared commitment to principles of mutual respect, non-interference, and constructive engagement. Earlier this week, the people and government of Pakistan observed Yom-e-Istisal in solidarity with our Kashmiri brothers and sisters to mark the 5th anniversary of India's illegal and unilateral actions of 5th August 2019 in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Mohammad Ishaq Dar addressed letters to the leadership of the United Nations and the Organization of Islamic Cooperation to draw their attention towards the grave consequences of Indian actions since 5th of August 2019. He called for implementation of the relevant UN Security Council resolutions to enable the people of Jammu and Kashmir to determine their own future. Pakistan will continue to extend political, diplomatic, and moral support to our Kashmiri brothers and sisters for the just and peaceful settlement of the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with the UN Security Council